In industrial applications, autonomous vehicles are not only becoming more common, but they are also becoming more capable, faster, more powerful, and with more features. That means you need more power in smaller spaces. P-Duke, an industry leader in power conversion products, has developed the next generation of high-efficiency DC-to-DC converter solutions. The RHKW, RHMW, and RHDW series onboard mountable DC-to-DC converters are designed especially for safety-critical industrial applications. P-Duke's patented transformer design allows operation at efficiencies up to 90.5%, even with 4.5mm clearance and creepage distances. The high dielectric strength plastic housing provides 3000 volts AC reinforced isolation, and the transformer's 4.5mm of clearance and creepage make them excellent for safety-critical applications rated up to 250 VAC, where an SELV output is required. The case material provides a high thermal conductivity that is comparable with metal casing, allowing operation from -40 to 105 degrees Celsius. The RHKW model provides power outputs from 3 to 10 watts in a tiny DIP24 package, while the RHMW supports 20 watts in a 1.6-inch by 1-inch housing, and the RHDW provides 40 watts of output power in a 2-inch by 1-inch package. They have a wide 4-to-1 input range of 36 to 160 volts DC, with models supporting single and dual outputs from 3.3 to 24 volts. Internal EMI filter circuits meet industrial standards, simplify your designs, and save valuable PCB space. With P-Duke, you can trust our power products will always meet the most demanding industry certifications. This series is certified according to IEC EN UL 62368-1, EN 50155, and EN 45545-2. In addition, our products are compliant with stringent standards for both shock and vibration. So when you need a high-efficiency DC-to-DC converter to power your next industrial application, turn to the trusted name in ruggedized, high-performance power solutions, P-Duke, and their RHKW, RHMW, and RHDW family of products. For more information, visit www.pduke.com.